Good morning, Robert. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you, Tim. How are you?
I'm great. So today, I hear we're going to talk about soft.
Soft, yes.
Yeah. What is
Correct.
that? What is soft?
I'll show you what soft is.
Okay.
Okay? Now this would be called soft, but
Okay.
it's not that soft as, oh my gosh. Now this is a very soft kitten. Just the eyes aren't as soft. Oh my god. It's all
That
right.
does look
Yeah,
soft.
it's okay. But oh, yeah. This is just nice, big, soft something. Yeah, I would love to have this. I love this kind of thing. But not as soft as this one. Oh my god. It's not as soft as I would think. It's a bit rough. But oh my god. Ah, this is so soft. I could die in it.
That does look soft. Wow. Robert? Robert?